What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to hide, how to remove these notices that appears, these alerts that appears on the WordPress admin bar, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP admin, enter with your login credentials, and you're gonna be able to see your dashboard. On your dashboard, you're going to be able to see tons of notices like this. Plugins asking for hate, plugins asking for subscribe, themes asking for update, notices asking for many more things to do. You can get rid of this to get a better and clear experience. To do this, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, there is a field called Search Plugins. Click and type Disable admin notice, hide dashboard notifications. And here is the guy that I'm looking for. Our theme side. Click on install now. Click on activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And once again, can you see now a button, hide for me, hide for all? You can click on hide for all, no more notes. Now let's go to the plugin. There is a settings right here, you can click. Or you can go to WordPress dashboard, left sidebar of menus, settings, hide admin notice, and you're going to be able to see a couple of options. Manage admin notice, show all, hide selected, disable plugin update notifications, disable WordPress core notifications, hide, show hidden notices in WordPress admin bar, off, reset hidden notices for all users, current users, up to you, okay? We have hidden notices. There you can see all the notices that has been hidden. You can block add redirects and hide admin bar headings, okay? You can hide the headings on the admin bar, for example, in the case you do not want that the comments appear, or maybe do not want that the control key appear, up to you. You can set it as off, just like this, and you are good to go, okay? Simple, easy, and really effective. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. And don't forget to check out Visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. Just don't forget to hit the save button, this green button into the upper right corner of my screen. And no codes, no needs to pay, and no more notifications. And that is, see you guys tomorrow. All the best!